What's up YouTube? This is Joel with True Life Investing. Today I'm going to show you how to get your third round of stimulus faster. I'm going to give you a stimulus update, and also I'm going to help you get your refund faster by filing your taxes early. I'm going to show you the ways that the IRS has literally said if you do this, you're going to get stimulus that may be owed to you, and you're also going to get your refund check if you're getting one from the IRS faster, because there's maybe a couple of reasons why you didn't get a stimulus check either the first time or the second time, but we definitely want to make sure that you get it this time and you get it as fast as possible. So some of the reasons you might not have gotten it the first time, or you didn't get the full amount, was you either missed the deadline to request a payment, there was either an error in like your direct deposit if you filed online, or if you had that set up. One of the reasons could have been you didn't get the full amount because you didn't claim a child as a dependent, or you didn't get paid for that. And the last thing is probably that the IRS just made a mistake in calculating your previous check, and that's why you didn't get your stimulus check, or you didn't get the full amount that you were promised. So the way to get your third stimulus check faster, the way to get your refund faster, is to file online. So with this year in 2021, the IRS has actually moved back the time frame in which you can start filing your taxes. So they won't start accepting tax returns until February 12th. So what that means is that, usually it's July 31st, sometimes it's earlier, but the faster you submit, the faster you can get your tax refund, but you can also get any stimulus that's owed to you. Your adjusted gross income in 2019 was higher than your adjusted gross income in 2020, well, you're going to get paid back stimulus based upon that new adjusted gross income. So the IRS actually says that 90% of filers will receive their tax refunds or their additional stimulus that's owed to them within 20 days or sooner. And it actually says that they're more likely, if they file on February 12th, to get it in 7 days from the day that you file. So that means that you can get a bigger refund check. There's also going to be the stimulus that's added to that, and also back stimulus pay that you might be owed. So there, I'm going to put down in the description the link for the IRS's tool, Where's My Refund Tool at? And as soon as you file, you can check within 24 hours of filing to see if your tax filing has been received by the IRS, and then it could take anywhere from 1 to 3 days from the time that they've received it and fulfilled it to get the money into your bank, depending upon your bank. So this means that in 7 days is basically the soonest that you can receive your tax/stimulus pay that's owed to you. And 21 days is the longest that you can longest that you're going to wait once you file and once the IRS receives it. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to put the chart in the description of how fast, if you file, that you're going to receive both of those in your bank account. So remember, all this is going to be in the description. But if you were to file on February 12th, the earliest that you can receive it is February 19th. The latest is March 5th. If you file by like March 1st, the latest you're going to receive it is 7 days later, March 8th. And then the earliest you're going to receive it is March 8th, and the latest is March 22nd. And then if you filed by like April 1st, then of course 7 days later, the earliest is April 8th, and the latest is April 22nd. And then the last day to file your taxes this year is going to be April 15th. And then the earliest that you can receive it is April 22nd, and the latest is May 6th. And this is the thing. A lot of people are like, how am I going to get stimulus that's back paid owed to me? They're adding something to our taxes filing this year. It's actually called the Recovery Rebate Credit. So basically, this is something as you're going through filing your taxes, whether you go to somebody, you pay a professional, a CPA to file your taxes, or if you do like what I do, I use TurboTax. So I'm actually going to put that link down in the description. So if you want to use them, they're super easy. They walk you through everything. And I'm also going to put H&R Block's online filing tool down there too, because I'm not getting paid by this. So it doesn't matter what you use, whichever you prefer. But most of them are free, but there are some that do charge if you like are self-employed or anything like that. But using these tools, you can get your taxes filed electronically, fast, set up the direct deposit, and get the money that's owed to you. Because this is the thing, like I said, they're going to calculate into what your taxes are of what your adjusted gross income was back in 2019 versus 2020. And then if you fall below the threshold, which for single people it's $75,000 or less, or if you're married it's $150,000 or less, you're going to get paid back stimulus that maybe you received a stimulus check. Well, guess what? If your adjusted gross income in 2020 was lower than 2019, they're going to give you back paid based upon that adjusted gross income, not the 2019. So that means you're going to get a bigger tax refund. So this is amazing. I love it. It's one thing that's going to get more money into people's pockets. But remember, you have to file your taxes as soon as possible. February 12th is whenever they open the doors for people to file their taxes. It's going to be the fastest way for you to get your tax refund, as well as get stimulus that's owed to you that maybe you didn't get the initial $1,200 check or the $600 check. But think about the third stimulus that's coming. Whenever they release that, if you have filed your taxes early, you have direct deposit set up, that means you're going to be one of the first ones to receive that third stimulus check if the earlier that you filed your taxes. So please, 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 you want to get a tax refund faster. You want to get any stimulus that's owed to you, and you also want to be the first ones to get that third stimulus. Then you need to go ahead and do your taxes, set it up, get it done. Like I said, I'm putting all this information down in the description, and I want you to go and, if you go use a professional CPA, that's great. But if you want to use one of the links that I put down below, whether it's H&R Block or TurboTax, trust me, they're great. I've been using TurboTax for 9 years. I do side jobs. I've used them whenever I had a rental property. They're great. It's super easy. It walks you through every single step. But this is the thing, guys. We are owed money. We pay our taxes, and these stimulus checks are owed to us. So the faster that you file, the faster that you're going to get it. So let me know what you think about this. Let me know if this helps you out in any way. Put it down in the comments if you have any questions. Like I said, I'm going to put that chart of whenever you file, when you can expect the earliest you can expect to receive that refund plus that stimulus if you're owed it. And just let me know in the comments if you have any questions or concerns. Remember, if you like this video, if it helped you out in any single way, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be bringing some more info pertaining to you getting your stimulus faster, the quickest way possible, any stimulus updates that happen, as well as any economic relief that they're bringing because we're pretty much still in this pandemic. Remember, this is Joel with True Life Investing. You have a great day, and I hope you get your refund faster and your stimulus faster soon.